Hello students, I am Rudra Manjunath, Associate Professor in Physics, Kottureshwar College, Kottur. Today I am demonstrating the characteristics of GM counter experiment. This is GM counter apparatus. This is GM tube. Below GM tube, I will keep a radioactive source, that is cesium 137. I am keeping this source in second slot. Now we have to make preliminary adjustments. From this knob we can vary the voltage. Here it is showing acquire mode, PR time, HV, that is high voltage, 1 volt. Next, preset time, it is showing 60. Here I adjusted preset time for 60 seconds because I am going to observe the counts per minute. Next we have to adjust paralysis time. At present it is showing off. If I press once, it is showing 250 microseconds. If I press twice, it is showing 350 microseconds. If I press third time, actually it is showing 550 microseconds. If I press once again, it will become, or it is showing off position, 250, 350, 550, off. Now I am going to choose 350 microseconds. 350 microseconds. This apparatus is having its own starting voltage. This apparatus is having the starting voltage around 310 volts. At 308 volts, it is showing 239 volts. Next, I kept for round figure for 310 volts. It is showing 430 counts per minute. I am going to vary the voltage, the step of 15 volts, that is after 310 I kept for 325 volts. Actually its value is 857 counts per minute. Here I recorded the values earlier. Actually, it was showing for 309 volts 566 counts per minute. For 310 volts it was 737. For 325 it was 795. I had taken up to 760 volts. For that it is showing 3663 counts per minute. Now if I draw a graph between counts per minute and applied voltage, just I have taken applied voltage on x-axis and counts per minute on y-axis. We will get this type of graph. From this graph, we can note down some results. That graph itself shows GM counter characteristics. That is second one, starting voltage. Here it is 309 volts. As I said, for this apparatus starting voltage is around 310. Here I got 309 volts. Plateau region is in between 325 volts to 610 volts. For 325 volts, it is 795 counts per minute. For 610 volts, it is 1090 counts per minute. Just look at this curve from 325 to 610 volts. You can see the graph plateau. Therefore, we are going to call this plateau plate or this straight line. Actually, it is approximately a straight line. We are going to call this region as plateau region. That is, plateau region is 325 to 610 volts. Operating voltage is, or it can be calculated, 325 plus 610 by 2, it is 467.5 volts. I am going to call 325 as V1, 610 volts as V2. V1 plus V2 by 2 is operating voltage. Here it is 325 plus 610 by 2, it is 467.5 volts. Breakdown voltage, it is 655 volts. Look at these values. At 610 volts, we have 1090 counts per minute. At 625 volts, 1264 counts per minute. At 640 volts, it is 1268 count per minute. At 655 volts, we have 2144 counts per minute. Here counts suddenly increased from 1268 to 2144. Therefore, we have to consider breakdown voltage as 655 volts. Next, finally, knee voltage is 325 volts. Thank you.